You almost broke my knuckle.
Nah,
that's like my second
me.
metacarpal, isn't it? That's
nah,
what you call it. Yeah,
that wasn't. That don't even look like my work.
It is your work. See, I hope everybody at home see this too.
What's going on, man? We back in the Mustang. Had a crazy 4th of July party last night. So, about to go to the deli, get me a bacon, egg, and cheese, and then go back home and start cleaning up the backyard. We got a little crazy last night, so there's fireworks everywhere. Just, you know, trash, food. So my boy Alvin about to come through, help me clean up. First I gotta eat something, man. I'm shot. Alright, man, we back. Got my food. I'll throw that down, then get to this yard work, man. There he is. Why you looking all crippled, man?
Smacked my hand yesterday. See how swollen it is?
You know they say hand is part of the bull, right?
Nah, that's not true. Look at that. You almost broke my knuckle.
Nah,
that's like my second
me.
metacarpal, isn't it? That's what you call it. Yeah,
that don't even look like my work.
It is your work. See, I hope everybody at home see this too. Turn to you, because this is the guy right here, the guy that's taping right now.
Man, I play clean basketball.
Look at the hand.
Hand is part of the ball, man.
That's
hand
not
is
true.
part of the ball.
It's broken.
Anybody, you know, if you play real ball, they tell you that hand's part of the ball.
I couldn't get to the sling. I should have got a sling. And then you make me come over and help clean up after you done beat me up.
Cause you lost.
You don't beat me up.
When you lose, you got to clean the court, man. That was the rule. That's what we said before the game started.
Good morning, man.
Good morning. But listen, before we get to clean up the court, man.
What are those? This is actually really comfortable too. The trail winds.
They look comfortable.
I did about 4 miles in them. When I left you, 3.7 miles. When I came over here on the bike, I went back to the house.
Did more.
And my wife was at her friend's house, and they were drinking or whatever. So I went and got her, but I ran over there. I didn't want to put the bike in the back of the car, so I ran to her. It was like 3.7. So, wow.
Yeah.
Looked like you had a good time last night.
It looked like we had a nice little party, man. Nice little turn. Our pool area ain't that bad.
It didn't get in the water?
I mean, it's probably some little particles in the water, but the filter gonna catch all of that. But as far as like what's on the stone, I get the blower, blow all that out here, and then try to blow all this stuff that's on the court into like a little pile, sweep it up. We shouldn't even be out here that long, man. This would be quick. I got drink in there?
Yeah. Don't put it in?
No, that's good. Oh, no, actually, it ain't good. I see this hole over here. How we get this bag?
You want to put
I just brought a bag out here.
We'll double it up?
Yeah, let's throw this bag in that bag. Yeah. That's out over there. All right, man. Yard is all cleaned up. Shout out to my boy Alvin for coming through helping me out. So now I'm not stuck at home cleaning up all day. I can actually get to go out and enjoy the Mustang. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, man. Go for a quick ride, have some fun. Stay tuned. All right, man, change of plans. I'm actually gonna take the cars for a car wash, get some of this debris and stuff from the fireworks off of the cars. Mustang isn't too bad. Plus I washed that by hand, so I might not do that today, but I definitely want to take the BMW to the car wash, and then I'll wash the Slingshot by hand, so stay tuned. All right, man, we in the BMW. Just going to get a quick exterior wash, nothing too crazy. Just want to get the bird shit off of there and get all the debris from the fireworks, clean all that off, and then yeah, just head back, wash the Slingshot up. That really doesn't take that much effort, so I'll do that by hand. And I washed the Mustang yesterday, so I really don't even want to wash that 2 days in a row. So I'll probably give that till tomorrow or the day after to, you know, wash that again, because that's a black car, so I don't want to get those swirl marks on the paint. So that's not the car to wash every single day. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for right now. Just cruising in the BMW. Got the AC on. It's 100 degrees outside, so you definitely don't want to be outside washing this car. All right, so that's one car down, one to go. We back at the house. Mustang is pretty much clean, or good enough for now. BMW is pearly white again. So now we just have to clean off this bad boy right here. It's not even really that dirty, but and I know the camera isn't really picking it up, but like if you look close, there's a lot of debris and stuff from the fireworks. That's all over it. You can see the different color spots on there, so just gonna rinse it off. Like I said, it's not a real car type body. It's pretty much like a hard plastic, so it wipes down real easy. So this will only take a few minutes. Slingshot is all cleaned up. Like I said, it doesn't take much to put a shine on this. Really just rinse it off. I don't even use soap. Hit it with a towel and that's it. Shines like new. Cars are all cleaned up. Looks like the weather got a little cooler, so I'm gonna get some shots up in the backyard before I call it a day. So yeah, that's what it is right now.